Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're checking out some optical illusion shell in Illustrator. First step, I'm gonna go to the fill, click on the fill, I'm gonna select the black color. I'm gonna select the circle, the ellipse tool, press and hold Shift plus Alt, create a little circle. I'm gonna press and hold Alt, drag it to the right until they have a distance like this. I'm gonna recolor this as white, and I'm gonna select both, right click and group. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna press and hold Shift plus M, or you can go and select the shape builder tool. I'm gonna press and hold Alt and click here. So it deletes, now we're left with this only. Good. I'm gonna press and hold Alt, drag it to the right, also press Shift to isolate. Select both, go to Object, Blend, Make. I can double click on the blend tool, select specified steps to increase the number until it's gonna be pretty dense. I gotta go with 54. Okay, I'm gonna select it, go to Object, Expand, click OK. I gotta go here to the brushes. If you don't have the brushes, you can go up here to Windows and select the brushes. So you open the brushes, and I'm gonna drag this and drop it here. And also select the art brush, click OK, and click OK. I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna go here to the lines, select the spiral tool, press and hold. Actually, I'm gonna swap it from fill to stroke. I'm gonna swap it here. I'm gonna color it to black. I'm gonna press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it up. You also can modify the interior part. For example, you release the Shift and you press and hold Control, and as you can see, it's gonna make it really dense, or you can make it more rare. You know, simplify it. Good. Now make sure that the stroke is on the top. Now I'm gonna go here to the brush and select the brush that I created. I'm gonna press and hold Shift plus W, or you can go and select the width tool. And with this, I'm gonna go to this anchor point, the end of the anchor point, and I can just pull it to the left. As you can see, with these blue lines, which indicates is we're trying to make the line thicker. I'm gonna release it. See, I'm gonna look something like this. I'm gonna go inside here and go all the way to the end. See this line here? It indicates it's this wide. So I'm gonna drag this path and I'm gonna scale it down, scale it more until it gets somewhere around here. And this is how you make this optical illusion shell in Illustrator. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.